Hi everyone and welcome to Bad Car Symptoms. Do you have a car problem that you would like to solve but you don't have an OBD tool to read the error code? If so, then this video will show you some old school ways to perhaps solve the problem. This is not a guarantee of a solution, but in most cases it's worth the try. So stay tuned. Bad car symptoms. Listen and smell. This tip may sound like it's for a tracker in the wilderness, but not that long ago this was the preliminary check for any car problem. It is so even in today's modern times. So, listen to any kind of squeak, grinding, thumping, or any other kind of strange sound if you notice the problem. Pay attention to any strange smells like a sulfuric smell, sweet smells, moldy smells, or God forbid burning smells. All of this can easily lead you to the problem or give a good hint about what is wrong. Inspect the car. In any case, never just rely on the OBD tool even if you have one. Always make an inspection around and under the car and of course under the hood. This is how it was done in older times anyway. Check for any anomalies on the car like loose hoses, wires, clamps, connectors. Check for leaks. Check for parts that aren't fitted properly. Check for any kinds of greasy marks, and the list goes on. Spotting an anomaly can give you a good idea of what may be wrong and can oftentimes lead to a solution. Inform yourself. Besides all this, inform yourself about your car and the problem, especially if you're not good around cars. Learn a thing or two about how the whole problematic system works. For instance, how the coolant system works, how the air intake system works, or something else. Learn what the main parts are, what the possible weak spots are of the system, and else. For instance, your car model may have some common flaws and problems that people have easily solved before. All of this will immensely help solve the problem. Use the internet. Once you've noticed symptoms like a bad smell, a grinding sound, a leak, or anything else, try using the internet. Of course, first try Google, which will then probably lead you to various forums that are divided by car manufacturers. We would seriously recommend, besides of course YouTube, these forums as they are a goldmine of people's experiences and valuable information. Oftentimes they can even offer a good solution to the problem. Use more primitive tools. The last tip on this list would be to use the good old-fashioned tools that you may have around the garage. These would include a tester light, a multimeter, various kinds of levers, an engine stethoscope perhaps, and the list goes on. Before the OBD tool era, all of these used to be the pinnacle of car diagnosis, and they still give good results even in today's electronic car era. In the end, for diagnosing, use common sense. This is something that seems to be in short supply even in professional services. Common sense with a combination of informing yourself about the problem, taking into account the symptoms you notice, and using the tools you have may give surprising results. In most cases, this may well solve the problem without an OBD tool. So that's it for this time. We hope the video helped solve the problem. Please like and subscribe. It's a huge help for what we're doing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your time.